Replacing the battery in your 2019-2024 Audi A3 key fob is a simple DIY task. You'll need a new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Audi recommends using Audi-branded batteries for optimal performance and warranty coverage. Protect your workspace and hands for a clean and safe battery exchange. Remember, the job is straightforward. No need to complicate things. First, locate the seam on your fob and gently pry it open. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the correct orientation, positive side up. Insert the new battery, ensuring the correct polarity. Snap the fob back together. Test the fob's functions, lock, unlock, and start. If issues arise, like connectivity glitches, repair the fob via your Audi's infotainment system. Settings, vehicle, key, pair new key. If it still fails, consider professional assistance. Be extra careful to avoid moisture and static discharge.